Did you know that Waterford is home to Ireland's oldest city, where tales of Vikings and medieval knights intertwine? Are you ready to uncover the hidden gems of this charming coastal destination? Here are the best things to do in Waterford, Ireland. Number 11. Waterford Treasures Medieval Museum. Dive into over 1,000 years of Irish history at Waterford Treasures Medieval Museum. This place is a goldmine of fascinating artifacts that will transport you back in time. Tucked away in the heart of Waterford's Viking Triangle, it's the only purpose-built medieval museum in all of Ireland. You'll be blown away by the incredible collection on display, spanning from the Viking era to Georgian times. As you explore the galleries, keep an eye out for hidden treasures and make sure to check out the medieval chambers, like the jaw-dropping 13th century chorister's hall. For a more immersive experience, don't miss the guided tours. The knowledgeable guides bring each artifact to life with captivating stories and insights that will leave you in awe. Number 10. King of the Vikings Virtual Reality Experience. Ever wondered what it would be like to witness the epic era of the Vikings? Well, you can do just that with the King of the Vikings Virtual Reality Experience. It's an absolute must-try for all you history buffs out there. Once you put on that VR headset, you will find yourself transported into a genuine medieval Viking house nestled right within Waterford's Viking Triangle. For over 15 minutes, you'll be enveloped in the thrilling world of the fearless slaving raiders who once ruled these lands, experiencing their adventures and fierce battles firsthand. This isn't your average history lesson. Thanks to cutting-edge VR technology, you'll gain an unparalleled understanding of what it was like to be a warrior in those turbulent times. Number 9. Waterford Greenway. Go on a thrilling adventure along the Waterford Greenway. This car-free path is a gem that stretches for 28 miles, taking you from Waterford City to Dungarvan. The best part? You'll be treated to awe-inspiring scenic views of gardens and architectural marvels throughout your journey. Imagine cycling or walking down this picturesque route and experiencing what life was like in Ireland's ancient East. It's a perfect blend of history, nature, and culture. And guess what? The Waterford Greenway has become a hot spot in no time since its opening in 2017. Why? Because it's not just a path, it's a haven for wildlife sightings that you can enjoy at your own pace. Number 8. Mount Congreve Gardens. If you are looking for a slice of paradise as you further explore the city, make sure to check out the Mount Congreve Gardens. These gardens are truly something special and have earned their reputation as one of the world's finest. With a whopping 10 miles of beautifully landscaped woodlands and a charming walled garden, they're a sight to behold. Set on a massive 70-acre private estate, these gardens offer a peaceful retreat where you can soak in Ireland's striking natural scenery. As you explore, you'll be treated to adorable views, meticulously designed ponds, and a sense of history and elegance that's hard to find elsewhere. Number 7. House of Waterford Crystal. Welcome to the House of Waterford Crystal, where luxury crystal reigns supreme. This iconic destination is an absolute delight for crystal enthusiasts. Prepare to be amazed by the skillful artistry and genuine craftsmanship that go into each piece. Experience the magic firsthand with a guided tour that takes you behind the scenes, revealing the secrets of creating these enchanting treasures. As you explore the retail store, you'll see a vast assortment of crystal masterpieces from all over the world, making it a collector's paradise. Soak in the gripping beauty of Waterford Crystal's renowned glass-cut designs. Every intricate detail is meticulously crafted using lead glass, showcasing the epitome of fine workmanship. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Waterford experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 6. Kurramore House and Gardens. Have a fun-filled day at Kurramore House and Gardens. This extraordinary destination promises an escape filled with excitement. Spanning over 2,500 acres, it is the largest private domain in the country, offering a vast playground for adventure seekers. Explore the magnificent Kurramore House, home to the esteemed 9th Marquis of Waterford and his family. Marvel at the rich heritage that spans several centuries. But that's not all. Get ready to take in the absorbing beauty of the sprawling gardens. Wander along picturesque paths, admire meticulously designed patterns, and revel in the vibrant colors of the flowers and lush greenery. Also remember to visit the open gardens where you'll discover a variety of plant species, fragrant shrubs, and delightful fruits. Number 5. Viking Museum at Reginald's Tower. Learn more about the eventful past of Waterford by visiting the Viking Museum at Reginald's Tower. This iconic tower, named after the Viking who founded the city, is a treasure trove of history. No need to rush in. Take your time and soak up the fascinating exhibits that take you back to the Viking era in Ireland, starting from the momentous year 914 AD. Marvel at the ancient artifacts that grace the museum's collection, from swords and jewelry to the remarkable sword of Edward IV. You'll also encounter the Waterford gold cloth of vestments, the sole surviving complete set of medieval vestments. Number 4. Waterford Sure Valley Railway. For a more delightful adventure, hop on board the Waterford Sure Valley Railway, Ireland's longest narrow-gauge railway. This scenic 40-minute ride showcases the picturesque banks of the River Sure, treating you to astonishing panoramic views of the majestic Sure Valley. Learn about the interesting history of Ireland's railways and appreciate the incredible community heritage project that this railway represents. With a speed of 9 miles per hour, you'll have ample time to relax and fully soak up the natural beauty surrounding you. To ensure a memorable experience, the railway is staffed with friendly and knowledgeable professionals. The dedicated staff members are passionate about sharing the rich history and scenic wonders of the Sure Valley. Number 3. Copper Coast Geopark. As a UNESCO Global Geopark, Copper Coast Geopark is a treasure trove of natural and cultural wonders. Spanning around 15 miles of scenic coastline from Kurramore to Dungarvan, this geopark boasts huge landscapes with pristine beaches and dramatic cliffs that will leave you spellbound. But there's more to enjoy here. Delve into the area's mining history as you explore the restored 19th century church, now transformed into the Geopark Visitor Center. Uncover the secrets of the environment's heritage through engaging exhibits and displays. To truly experience the geopark's wonders, venture along the Copper Coast Scenic Drive and discover the region's geological features while reveling in beautiful views. Also, outdoor enthusiasts will be delighted to be here with ample opportunities for hiking, cycling, and birdwatching. Number 2. Lismore Castle. Lismore Castle, the Irish home of the Duke of Devonshire, is an irresistible destination you can't afford to miss. Absorb its fascinating past by taking a guided tour through its grand halls and rooms. The castle's prime location on the banks of the majestic Blackwater River offers impressive wide views of both the river and the Knockmealdown Mountains. Take a stroll through the meticulously manicured gardens, which exude sheer splendor at every turn. As you wander, soak in the entrancing tales from days gone by and revel in the castle's serene ambience. Beyond its rich history, Lismore Castle is also renowned for hosting exclusive events and offering luxurious accommodations. Number 1. Kumshin Loch. Don't leave Waterford without going on a hike to Kumshin Loch. Nestled within the picturesque Kumshin Mountains, this beautiful lake offers a rewarding experience for nature lovers and hikers alike. The climb is relatively easy, taking about an hour, allowing you to fully appreciate the bird's eye view that awaits you at the top. As you ascend, be prepared to be awestruck by the astounding landscapes stretching out before your eyes. Experience the tranquility of the surroundings with the soothing sounds of nature echoing through the air. Take a moment to breathe in the crisp mountain air, rejuvenating both your body and mind. Also, the trail to Kumshin Loch is adorned with vibrant wildflowers, adding a touch of color to the lush greenery. Click here for more things to do in Ireland.